I'm Terry Bradshaw. Join me as we investigate current events and issues, bringing you closer to the topics that matter and the people that make them happen. This is Edition. Today's computer software has made PCs into the most efficient devices on the planet. Always knowing what to do, when to do it, without a wasted stroke, our ever-present companions have advanced the way we do business, keep records, and entertain ourselves. This next segment explores some of the latest innovations.
Runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Prior to any flight, pilots must ensure their aircraft can lift off, safely clear obstacles, and meet all regulatory performance criteria. Calculations are made to determine a range of factors such as environmental conditions, airport elevation, as well as obstacles with the flight path. These calculations are referred to as aircraft performance and are used to determine performance limits for takeoff and landing.
The benefits of having access to aircraft performance data is so the pilot can accurately calculate takeoff and landing performance. In certain instances, this may limit takeoff weight or payload capability. Absent the data, the pilot may inadvertently overload the aircraft.
Because these calculations can take hours to prepare manually, major airlines use teams of engineers to process them. Unfortunately, this means most corporate flight departments and privately operated jets lack this luxury. As a result, many pilots are forced to use their own methods of calculation, which can be flawed and out of compliance.
Corporate pilots oftentimes are flying into airfields that they have never landed at, or others that they may not be familiar with. In order to comply with the regulations and safely operate their aircraft in this environment, it's necessary that they have tools available to them to accurately calculate the performance limits. The calculations must be available not just during pre-flight, where they'll be in a facility that may have internet connectivity, but to be available in flight as well.
Established in 1999, the Aircraft Performance Group provides takeoff and landing data services to over 4,000 corporate and business aircraft and more than 20 airlines around the world. The company's services are integrated with such flight planning providers as Air Support and PPS Services, ARINC Direct, Rockwell Collins, and Universal Weather and Aviation, among others.
Each of APG's principal owners has over 34 years' experience in providing takeoff and landing performance data. In building APG, we have taken the analysis of takeoff and landing performance data to a new level by utilizing the most current sources of digital data available and the power of the internet to deliver to our customers.
APG maintains a worldwide database of up-to-the-minute airport information. Known as Atlas, the system allows users to access their account via internet, order performance data, have it prepared and displayed in real time, and receive analysis by email.
When operating in areas with high mountainous terrain or man-made obstacles where takeoff weights may be limited, APG can develop flight paths that will avoid these obstructions, allowing a safer flight path while improving takeoff weight. The goal that APG has in mind is first to choose the proper or safest route, and secondly to increase the takeoff weight as high as practical.
In addition to Atlas,
for the weight and balance,
APG has developed a service that integrates runway analysis with weight and balance. Referred to as APG WB, the service is available both online and on the Apple Store, connecting directly to APG's server-based programs. The resultant reports are then delivered to the device and stored for in-flight use without any need for internet connection. APG also developed an advanced solution for the iPad called iPre-Flight, which integrates pre-flight planning tasks beyond runway analysis and weight and balance, including flight planning and weather.
The ability to run an aircraft performance program on the iPad without the need for internet connectivity is a first in our industry. APG's mobile solutions allow the flight crew members to have the most current information at their fingertips, enabling them to make better decisions.
The application consolidates pre-flight planning documentation into flight books that can be stored on the iPad for reference at any time, similar to APG WB.
In a big airliner, laptops are a feasible solution. However, in corporate jets where space is at a premium, iPads are the ideal solution. APG's app, that's affordable and easy to use, has made it very popular with corporate pilots.